Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone battery saver mode. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on your battery saver in your Vivo phone guys. You want to on guys your battery saver, so guys you can on it. And guys now let's see how to on battery saver in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how to on battery saver. So first of all guys, you will have to click on guys your battery. Oh guys, sorry guys. Phone setting, then guys you will have to click in battery setting. Again scroll guys, click on your battery setting. As you can see your battery saver, so guys tap here. Guys you can on and off your battery saver. So after on guys you can see guys this dark theme because guys you can see battery saver is on. So you are outside guys and guys you don't have battery in your Vivo phone. So you should on it and guys you can save your battery for some hours. After reach home guys you can off it. So guys now guys we will off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and off battery saver in our Vivo phone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.